How to start Forex trading, step-by-step guide for beginners. Forex trading can be an exciting and potentially profitable venture for beginners. Here are the key steps to get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into Forex trading, it's crucial to educate yourself about the market, trading strategies, risk management, and fundamental and technical analysis. There are several educational resources available, including online courses, tutorials, webinars, and books. Take the time to understand the basic concepts and terminology to build a solid foundation of knowledge. Step 2. Choose a reliable Forex broker. Selecting a reputable and reliable Forex broker is essential for a successful trading journey. Consider factors such as regulation, trading platforms, customer support, spreads, commissions, account types, and available trading instruments. Choose a broker that aligns with your trading needs and offers a user-friendly platform that suits your preferences. Step 3. Open a trading account. Once you have chosen a broker, you need to open a trading account. Most brokers offer different types of accounts, including demo accounts for practice and live accounts for real trading. Start with a demo account to familiarize yourself with the trading platform, tools, and strategies before risking real money. When you feel confident, you can move on to opening a live account. Step 4. Choose the right trading platform. Forex brokers provide various trading platforms for executing trades and accessing market data. The most popular platform is MetaTrader 4, MT4, and its successor, MetaTrader 5, MT5. These platforms offer a wide range of features, including charting tools, technical indicators, and the ability to automate trades with expert advisors (EA). Familiarize yourself with the chosen trading platform and its functionalities. Step 5. Learn and practice trading strategies. Developing a trading strategy is crucial for consistent results in Forex trading. There are various strategies to choose from, such as trend following, range trading, breakout trading, and scalping. Study different strategies and find one that suits your trading style, risk tolerance, and time availability. Backtest the strategy on historical data and practice it on a demo account to gain confidence. Step 6. Understand risk management. Effective risk management is essential to protect your capital and ensure long-term success. Determine the maximum amount you are willing to risk per trade and set appropriate stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Additionally, use proper position sizing techniques to allocate a reasonable portion of your capital to each trade. Avoid overexposing your account to excessive risk. Step 7. Start trading with small positions. When you are ready to trade with real money, start with small positions or trade sizes. This allows you to manage your risk effectively and gain experience in a live trading environment. As you become more comfortable and confident in your trading abilities, you can gradually increase your position sizes. Step 8. Practice patience and discipline. Forex trading requires patience and discipline. Avoid impulsive trades based on emotions or market noise. Stick to your trading plan and strategy, and don't let short-term market fluctuations shake your confidence. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, analyze your performance, and identify areas for improvement. Step 9. Stay informed and continuously learn. The Forex market is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about economic news, geopolitical events, and market trends. Keep up with financial news, read market analysis reports, and follow reputable sources for information. Additionally, continue learning and expanding your knowledge of Forex trading to refine your skills and adapt to changing market conditions. Step 10. Seek support from trading communities. Joining trading communities or forums can be beneficial for beginners. Engage with fellow traders, share ideas, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. Trading communities can provide support, insights, and additional learning opportunities that can accelerate your growth as a Forex trader. Conclusion. Starting Forex trading as a beginner requires a combination of education, practice, discipline, and continuous learning. By following this step-by-step guide, you can lay a strong foundation for your trading journey. Remember to approach Forex trading with a long-term perspective, manage risk effectively, and stay committed to improving your skills. With time and dedication, you can develop the expertise needed to navigate the Forex market successfully. Get connected now with other traders on SureFireTrading.com. Follow the link below the video and be part of the community.